welcome to another episode of Reinventing the Meal. Come! Yeah! So today we are making bacon and brie grilled cheeses with apricot preserves. I think it goes without saying that this is definitely a cheat meal. Do not eat this if you're on a diet. You might as well skip this video because this is not good for you at all. Your ingredients are obviously very fucking simple. You just need your favorite bread. I just got some awesome Italian whole grain wheat bread from Publix. You're gonna need your brie, you're gonna need your bacon, and you're gonna need your apricot preserves. And if you don't have apricot preserves, it's not the end of the world. You could honestly probably use like strawberry jam or whatever. Anything like sweet jam kind of thing would work. So to get started, you're gonna start cooking your bacon. Go ahead and cook it to your desired temperatures. Once your bacon is done, go ahead and set that aside. You can chop it how you'd like into pieces or just in halves, it doesn't matter. But do not get rid of your bacon grease, we're gonna use that. So you're gonna go ahead and slice up pieces of your brie. I cut up mine into these little thin rectangles. I felt that that was the best way to get some good surface area on the sandwich. And then once you have your brie slices, we get to assemble this bad boy. Get your bread. On each side, you're gonna put your apricot preserves. And then on each side, you're of course gonna put your layers of brie. And then just on one side, you're gonna put all your bacon, just because if you put bacon on both sides, it's just gonna be too hard to flip. Just put the bacon on one side. And then to toast it, instead of butter or mayo, we're gonna be resourceful with the residual bacon grease that is in our pan. And you are gonna put down your grilled cheese halves, like open-faced sandwich style, in the pan at medium-high heat. I like to put a lid on top for the first few minutes just because it helps the brie get all steamed and melty and gooey and delicious. And then once you see you have a solid melt going, you're gonna go ahead and flip over the one side with just the cheese and the apricot preserves, and you're gonna seal that sandwich together in the pan. And then you're gonna let it finish off cooking on each side, and then you're gonna take it out. You're gonna cut it how you like it. I'm hungry, I'm gonna let you go now. This is another one of those things that I have not actually had before, so this is my first time making it and trying it, and I am so excited. Oh my God. What? Oh my, this is easily one of the most ridiculous things I've ever made, not to mention probably one of the most unhealthy things I've ever made. Dude, you got that sweetness from the apricot preserves and the saltiness from the bacon. And then obviously brie is like one of the best cheeses on the planet because it's so creamy and perfect. Oh my God, this is so fucking good. It probably has like 2 billion calories, but it's fine. We did an 8-mile hike yesterday. It's gonna be all right. If you're having a bad day, just make this. I'm gonna go finish that and probably go take a nap like right afterwards. Obviously, I highly recommend you make this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.